status of ITFL? Sorry, IT Park, Chingla.
IT Park and electronic manufacturing clusters both are moving at quite a fast pace. The whole restructuring of the IT Park has been done. Earlier it was only one IT Park for coming on PPP basis. We have restructured it and made it into three parts. One is for the startup, where the startup piece will come. Second, we are creating infrastructure for the existing industries in Goa for their expansion plans. गोंयकार जे expand करून सोदताले तांकां गोंया avenues मेळना आशिल्ले तांकां. And the third part will be the IT park on PPP basis. So already this particular part from the consultant is complete. It is going a step ahead. I think by December we should be ready with basics of all these things.
This is
Ajay, तुमकां सगळे as the things come up, we will come back to you on the whole plan.
But any
Startup policy already zali. The biggest challenge is to implement the policy with the schemes, which right now we have taken. I know there is lot of excitement in the industry related to IT. The people in the IT sector cannot with this medium, I would only like to say that when the government is serious and has started with the startup policy, the government also is creating enough infrastructure to create a backup to implement this policy, and policy ची स्कीम येता. 1-2-3 महिन्या भितर ह्यो सगळ्यो schemes including the full IT policy will be rolled out, so that जे इतली वर्सां जावना ते इल्ले दीस कर काडचे पडटा सगळ्यांक to ensure that we have a fruitful policy to take place and the youngsters of today find a avenue in Goa.